Hey YouTube, this is People are Chipmunks here to show you the mathematical 12 trick revealed, 12 card trick revealed. I don't know what it's called. Basically, it uses math with this. So I'm actually gonna pull this out real quick. So just hold on 1 second. Okay. So I have all the cards right here. Now, if you know this trick already, go ahead and do all the sayings and all that. But I'm showing you how to do this real quick. Yeah. Basically, what you do is you tell 3 spectators, or you tell 2 spectators with yourself to choose 1 card each. So you tell the first person, choose any card in this deck, or in this pile. So let's say they just choose the ace. You flip over the one in the rows, right there, and you turn these ones over in this row, leaving the ace, the only one standing, in a cross formation. Then you tell the second spectator, choose another card that is not this card. Okay, let's say they choose the queen. Well, this card's done. You flip that one over, you go over these two, and you flip these two over. That's done. So now they only have a 2-card choice. Doesn't matter which one they pick, whatever one they don't pick, it's going to be flipped upside down. So let's go ahead and just choose the easiest one to remember, the 6 of hearts. Well, for me, it's easy to remember the hearts. So this one's going to be flipped over. Now what you do is after you do that, you flip the top left. You can go to top right, doesn't matter, but I always go to top left first. So what you do is you flip this one down, flip it down again. You flip it across, you flip it up, you flip it up, flip it across, flip it down, flip it down, flip it across, make sure you have all the deck, flip it up, and then flip it back up. Now the deck's all mixed up. Then what you do after that is you want to fan the cards out, secretly counting each card. You want to tell them, okay, there's all these face-down cards and all these up-down, all these face-down cards and all these face-up cards. When you're doing this, you want to count, since I have 12 cards here, you want to count 6 cards away. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This card right here is going to be the card out. Okay. Then you take this deck and you split this up. Remember, you do not count the cards as you're folding them out. You just plainly look at them and then cut it naturally. Now flip this deck. I'll tell you the reason why you don't want to flip this deck right now. Okay? Flip this deck over. And then what you want to do is you want to just go ahead and mix them up. It doesn't matter anymore. But you mix them up, doesn't exactly matter. As long as they stay the face that they are. And then basically what you do is you fan out the cards again. And there are 3 cards that are face down. 1, 2, 3. Everything else is face up. And this will work every single time if you do this right. The cards they have chosen are the ones face down. That's basically how you do it. Now, the mathematical equation, no, there's not really equations, but the mathematical sequence of this I will show right now. So let me go ahead and fold them out again. Okay, so I have them back out like this. And basically, everything from this point is all random. So basically, I'm just going to choose 3 cards. I'm going to choose the ace again. I'm going to choose the king. And I'm going to choose a 3 since it's the lowest. This part's crucial. This is very, very crucial in the trick. You want to take this part, flip it down the way I told you, and then set this one down. You want to keep doing this the way like a chain, or the trick will not work. Okay? So I have it like this. Now, I'm going to show you the mathematical sequence for this. Basically, you have... Wait a second. How do I... Okay, this one's kind of weird up. I probably flipped it. I don't know what happened, but it's probably like this. Here we go. This is much better. This probably makes more sense. Well, I don't know. Basically, when you're counting 6 cards down, so if you count these cards and count 6 cards down and right here, when you hit this card right here, that's... Let me redo this. Something went wrong here. Oh, it kind of went off. 1 second. My bad. I'm like so sucking at this. You count 6 cards down, and you got all this. Now, if you can already see this is like just a rarity thing. I have 3 blank cards right here, and then all the rest of them face down right here. Which one am I going to flip over? I'm going to obviously flip over this one. Because these 3 cards are obviously going to be the cards that we chose. But let's pretend that there were... Let me go ahead and get this set up in the way I want it to be. I'm going to do this. Put these ones... Oh, I can't do that. Put these ones face up like that. Put the 3 right here. 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Dancing Queen, the movie scene. I think that's good. Let me see. Yeah, that's much better. Okay. So basically, this is the common way to set up. That you have all these face up and face downs. When you're counting 6, so it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you're counting the fan out, you're always going to take at least 1 face down with you. Most likely, it's only going to be 1 face down. That face down is obviously going to be one of their cards. But what they don't notice is that there are their cards right here. They don't see that because they're just going to scoop that up. Or you're just going to do something about it. You're not really going to scoop it up because it's not going to be on the ground. Now, since there's only 1 card in this one, and it's a face down, and you know that's their face down, this deck has to be flipped over. Or, well, it can be any deck, but I don't like doing this deck because it has their card on top of it, and they're going to figure it out. So just flip that one down. So now you have all the cards that you need up, and their cards are face down now, in the opposite direction. So that means you can do whatever you want with the decks now, as long as you do not spin, flip, or do anything else with the cards except for cutting them or shuffling them. You cannot spin the cards. Doesn't matter what you do, because every single time it's always going to be their cards, face down or face up, doesn't matter. So it's going to be their face down, face the cards. That's how you do the 12 mathematical trick. It's People Chipmunk signing out with another magic trick video.